Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again with some more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone alright. Now, first things first. I am going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that the video shows a man holding and swinging a machete repeatedly while he was threatening to hurt at least one person. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video had been recorded, and the video also shows when the man used the machete to hit a certain amount of surfaces. Now, one of the reasons why I am presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, is because the video shows a certain amount of persons who was at that location at the time when the man was behaving angry while holding and swinging a machete. And I wondered to myself if those persons did not take the way how the man was behaving seriously. See? And I want to say this to each and every one, that if you see a person with a machete or any form of weapon acting certain ways that can be considered to be angry, please be careful. And if possible, move away from that person as far as I can. You understand? Yeah, but if you know that the person now go to certain things, it's up to you. But me I give my advice. You understand? And another reason why I am presenting this video to you is because the video has been talked about on social media, and I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what I think about some of the things that you're about to see and hear in this video. Now, I want you to please bear in mind that this video shows some things that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. You can also hear harsh language in this video. So before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Get me a shoot you, or me a chop you. No. That me, I tell to get down see me. I'm gonna chop him up in my head. And a drop thing in the pocket. Boy, to get violent, you know. And a skin up.
Watch out.
Then don't see me. Then don't come and scare you.
What do you do this type of serious like?
This weekend, I'll chop him up, you know. Come up and my man again, you know. Come feed my man again, you know. Don't. This weekend. Chop him up, you know. You're not going there, you see the man gone. And then when my see me, I'm going to chop him up. Oh, I'm not going to match you.
In the video. What's up with the demo?
You move him and come to scare that one. Tell him don't come in and fear.
This. Look what the man behave, my people. You see me, I say, and you can hear persons laughing in the video, you know. I wonder if those persons don't take that person serious, or maybe he's the kind of person who some persons within the community that where he's from think that he might not do certain things. That's what I say, but and I real though, me not tell a lie. Even if him might not do certain things, you may never know, because sometimes, you know, a person can snap, as though some people might call a situation where somebody just do certain things that they don't normally do, you know. Yeah, John. But people, my best advice, you see, is that if you see a man with a machete or something that can be considered to be a weapon acting certain ways, it's best to be careful. You see me I say? Yeah, because you may never know. See it? If you feel like moving far away from that person, I would advise that. You see me I say? Yeah man, because John, the way how this world I run right now, and in a them time, yeah, don't take nothing that nobody do or say lightly. As some look on like, you see. But anyways, you can let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to move on to a topic. Now, I got information that a spiritual leader had been arrested and charged by the necessary authorities within the country of Jamaica for raping a child during an exorcism. According to information that I got, it is said that detectives assigned to the Center for the Investigation of Sexual Offences and Child Abuse, CISOCA, arrested and charged a spiritual leader with rape, grievous sexual assault, and sexual touching of a child. Allegedly, it is said that those offenses were committed on the 6th of May, the year 2022. See? I also got information that the spiritual leader is from a St. Catherine, Jamaica address. It is said that the spiritual leader goes by the first name of Joma or Joma. But just in case if I pronounced the name wrong, I'm going to spell it. So that is Joma. It is said that he is in his 40s, and according to reports, it is said that the child was sent to the spiritual leader for him to perform an exorcism exercise during which he committed sexual acts. A really sad situation, viewers and subscribers, you see? Really sad. In my point of view, exorcism means to remove or to attempt to remove evil spirit from a place or a person. You see? Evil spirit from a place or a person. A really sad situation. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, you can let me know what to think about that whole situation. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that the police within the country of Jamaica are probing a double murder that happened within the parish that is known as Trelawney. That's within the country of Jamaica in the wee hours of Thursday morning. That's the 23rd of June, the year 2022. I did not get any confirmed information about the identities of those two persons who died. However, according to reports, it is said that sometime before or after 3 a.m. on the 23rd of June, the year 2022, residents within a community that is located within Falmouth, Trelawney, Jamaica, heard explosions and the police was summoned. It is said that when the police arrived, two persons was found suffering from gunshot wounds. It is said that both persons was taken to hospital where one person was pronounced dead on arrival and the other person died while undergoing treatment. No motive had been established for the deadly attack. That's another sad news, viewers and subscribers. That's another sad news, as you may have said. Alright, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a female, and in my point of view, I think it is best for you to listen to the things that the female said in this video for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think. Because I think that if I try to explain the things that the female said to you, my viewers and subscribers, I might not explain the things that she said in this video accurately to you, alright? Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Observe.
Good evening, people. I buy a ticket for me $15 last month from Supreme Venture. And I win. And I win and send it to go change. And the girl at the cash shop take it, cash it and take the money and give me back the ticket. And I report it to 16. And they say, alright, then we'll investigate it. And I'll know. Today is the 20th of June. And I can't get now with them. I call them today and then don't answer. Thanks.
My people, you see, any other female who you see in that video that I just presented to you can get the evidence to prove the things that you said in that video that I just presented to you, then at least one person can get in trouble with the law. Yes, any other female can get the right person or the right legal team to get evidence to prove the things that you said in that video that I just presented to you, then at least one person can get in trouble with the law. You see? But anyways, you can let me know what to think about the things that the female said in that video that I just presented to you. I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers. I do not know exactly where and when this video will be recorded. According to some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that the video shows a damaged tree. And according to some things that at least the two persons said in the video that I saw, I got the understanding that the tree might have been damaged by lightning. viewers and subscribers, I want to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. You can tell me if you think the tree was damaged by lightning or what. Alright? Anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Tell me what you think.
Clear. Lightning two up the bush. You bust up the tree?
Bush there.
How really go when you go to tell me?
No. Today.
Okay.
The splinter. Where?
Whoa.
Lightning bust it, could straight upside go.
So, up you go.
People, that
You see?
look away.
How
So.
is it go?
That look away.
Up
So.
you go.
I will find out.
How really come down? Which one?
No.
No, I don't.
Up or down, that look away there, some people. Don't ramp with Mother Nature. Do not play with Mother Nature. You see me I say? My people, tell me what you think. Do you think that tree had been hit by a lightning or what? What do you think happened to that tree, viewers and subscribers? Let me know what you think. You see? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. When it comes on to nature, or you can say Mother Nature, you see me, me is the kind of person I find Mother Nature to be fascinating. You see me, I say, yeah man, some things that happen in Mother Nature just really and truly amuses me. You see, even though dangerous, but still amuses me. I tell you. I tell you. Anyways, my people, yes, I'm not gonna left it now. Big up and respect to each and every one. Let me know what you think about the things that I told you in this video. Let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you in this video. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up yourself. See?